I don't have a magic ball, but what I'm starting to feel right now is really this groundness, being grounded. It's going back down to earth, to feel the ground below our feet, really one step at a time, to feel that the support come also from Mama Earth, from the Mother Nature, and we're really receiving this from below. So I see the word security and stability a lot in May. How do we receive? How do we stabilize our life? How do we feel secure? It can be financial security, it can be emotional security. I think the invitation for this month is really to put a bit of focus on how stable I can feel, how secure I can feel.